Takin.
Takin.
Takin po tayo, takin. Bulante.
Takin tayo lahat, takin.
Takin, bossing.
Let's get it on. Against the basketball. Agad foul. Number 28, Candila. It's a go. Peralta. But there's a duty foul on number 10. Natasha, that is his first personal foul, first team foul.
Number ano? 10. Number 10, foul.
Candila fires, or number 4 rather. Agarbao gets the board. Out to number 29, Wall. Rotasio, all alone. Short. Rebound Barba. Candila shoots, gets the basket. Official tally is 5-0. WCDL. Here's number 26, Dennis Reyes. Drives, lays up, no good. Here's number 29, War. Kick out to Agarbao. Agarbao scores. 7-0. Peralta. Volante. Escobar, slings, shoots, yes sir! First team low for team Quattro Baller, 7-2. War, shoots, no. Volante will do the rebound. Peralta with the basketball. Peralta drives, Peralta scores! 74, 7 minutes and 20. War. Natapigan, good defense by Peralta. Here's De Los Reyes, to number 7, Volante. There's a foul. Foul number 28, Candila, only his first personal foul, second team foul. 14 to shoot. De Los Reyes, no. Rebound Volante, offensive board, De Los Reyes, no. Rebound by Barba decides to shoot, scores! 94 is our official tally. Here is Peralta playing point guard. Gives it to Thomas. Over to Escobar. Escobar flicks, Escobar shoots. They're good on the one-hander. War. Bad pass, turnover. Peralta, bad pass. Nagawa ni Agarbao, 3-on-3 break. Agarbao makes his move. Agarbao shoots. Agarbao scores. 11-4, our official tally. 7-point deficit for Quattro Ballers. Peralta, beginning the pick. Peralta, kick out. De Los Reyes pulls up. De Los Reyes, 3! 11-7. Kobe, War. Being handled by Volante. Candila. 14 to shoot. Steps back. Basket is good for Candila. 13 to 7. Anin ang hinahabol ng quarter ballers. Thomas. Volante. Escobar. Escobar in the middle. Escobar spins. Escobar shoots. Gets his own miss. Passes his way. 3-second violation. Turnover.
Kami na lang, kami na lang.
Sub, 20 po.
Change players. Change players.
Big, iwan ka, Big. White ball.
Back to the action. Here's number 11. Agarbao scores. 15 to 7. Here's number 3, Atamarino. Number 18 to number 3. 15 to shoot. Giannis. How low. And now, rebound of Agarbao. Inocencio to number 11. Number 11. To the O. Inocencio. Traveling violation.
Red, teka lang, Red. Wala kang jersey. Dalawang free throw muna.
Technical free throws awarded to quarter ballers for non-jersey.
Hindi ko rin napansin eh.
Hindi ko rin pansin.
Kulay-puti kasi.
Hindi ngayon ko lang din nakita ng pumasok. Pareho eh.
Parehas kasi kulay-puti eh.
Escobar completes more technical free throws, making our official tally 15 to 9 in favor still of WCBL. 4 minutes and 18 remaining in the first. Here's Atamarino. Moscoso. Back to Atamarino. Fires. Short.
Laban pa rin magkagabi.
Saan? Saan?
Wala sa akin ba ka?
Lugao. Tayaktak. Number 11. In the middle, Agarbao. Agarbao. No. Rebound Atamarino. Big pass to number 18. 82. Very good assist to Atamarino. And points number 18. Here's number 11. 13 to 11 our official tally. Tayaktak. Takes. Drives. Shoots. Escobar with the board. Naagawan, Agarbao. Counter steal Escobar. Lead pass Atamarino. Technique number 18. Easy 2 points. No good. White ball. Here's number 11. Number 9, Gilgao. Number 9 scores. 17-11. Under 3 minutes remaining in the first. Igas, Moscoso. No. Kick out to number 18. Allen. No. Rebound to Gilgao. Here's number 11. Rodriguez. Jersey, tap in tayo guys ha. Warning na yan pag ano. Alta Marino. Number 18. Thomas. 10 seconds. Escobar muscles his way. Escobar in and out. Escobar. Out to Thomas. 9 to shoot. Thomas. Inapit to Navia. Wala. Rodrigo. Inocencio. Shoots. No. Rebound number 18. Number 3. Altamarino. Nagawan. Quickly to Rodrigo. Rodrigo, easy 2 points. Allen. Chayalen, Thomas. Loses the ball. Big save. Rodrigo gets the loose ball. Rodrigo. Yes, sir. Last 10 seconds. Last 4 seconds. Moscoso. Moscoso blows the layup. 10 of the first quarter. Official score is 23-11 in favor of WCBL.
Yari itong 4 ballers pagka
Pagkulang.
kayang sila ang laro.
Oo, pag ganyan yung laro nila.
Yariin sila.
Back to the ball game, starting the second quarter. Green ball.
Yung number 2, hindi matatakin. Mahirap ba itakin yung jersey?
Kasi sira yung forma ko eh. Sa'yo na yung dating. Sa'yo yung dating.
Gawin mo dali. Yung number 10.
Peralta to start the second. De los Reyes. 50 to shoot. Escobar. No, rebound Tayaktak. Tayaktak makes the goal. Tayaktak lays out. Green ball. Peralta. Miguel to Escobar. Volante. Kick out. Agawa. Totasio. No. Tayaktak, good luck. Wala pa rin. Rebound de los Reyes. De los Reyes. Runner block. Good defense for the ball. Peralta. Takes. Gives it to Volante. Volante shoots. In and out. Rebound de los Reyes. Escobar. Let's get it fire. There's a foul. On number 28, Candila.
First.
Only the first personal foul, first team foul.
Ay, hindi. Dalawa na
Oh,
yan.
sorry, second personal foul, first team foul. 14 shoot. Aga, good anticipation by War. War lays up. War scores.
Ano yan?
25-11.
Ganyan yung laro ng green, tatalunin yan. Tatalunin yung green.
Peralta.
Pag ganyan yung laro nila.
Volante. Triple. No. Rebound de los Reyes. Decides to shoot. No. Rebound Totasio. Quickly Tayaktak. Tayaktak. Spins. Lays up. No. Rebound de los Reyes.
Galing nun.
Lead pass to number 7. Volante. Serradilla. Turnover.
Galing ng bata na yun.
Candila.
Nice ban! Baka nila dun eh.
Candila shoots. Candila scores.
Grabe yun, dalawa pa sumabay.
16 na ang kalamangan ng WCBL. With
Grabe, nakita mo yun?
7 minutes and 33.
Pinagaan sa gitna.
Peralta.
Ay, ito yung buwan ng bola oh. Bata na yun oh.
number
Ito?
28.
Ito? Ay, hindi pala yan.
Si Amir yun eh.
29. 28, that is his third personal foul, second team foul. Well, the first is Escobar.
Oh.
Second throw. No. Garcia gives it to number 29. War over to number 9. No. Rebound to the Swiss. Into Volante. Volante to number 23. Easy two. 23 assists to Volante. 2 points for number 23. Set Avila. 27-14. Still a 13-point lead. Here's War. Over to Protasio. Shoots. No. Rebound Tequila. No. Volante. Lead pass to Zeravilla. Easy two. 27-16. There's an 11-point deficit for Quattro bowlers. Good defense by Volante. Steal. And he scored.
Dead ball, dead ball.
Good defense by Zeravilla. Tequila safely crossing the ball to the sideline. Attack. 10 seconds. Over to out of play. 2 points na ball. Assist to Tayakna. 29-18. Here's the Reyes. But there's a foul on number 29, Moore.
Ano, timeout? Ay! Good.
Number 29, isa pa lang.
Number 29 only his first personal foul. Third team foul.
Wala na to.
Peralta. Escobar. Escobar scores.
Tinugwa.
29-20.
Natusok. Tinusok ng tari ah.
5 minutes and 40. War. Protasio. Turnover. Peralta. Lays it in. Peralta lays up. Basket is good. What's a foul? On number 9. Dogao. Number 9. Only the first personal foul. Third team foul. Bonus free throw award to number 2, Peralta. Yes, it does complete the three-point play. Change players. Change foul.
Jersey tuck in, uy! Anak ng... Mahirap ba i-tuck in yan?
Back to the action. Here's Rodrigo. Rodrigo. Inocencio. Rodrigo fires. Short. Inocencio. Sa ilalim. Number 4. Rodrigo. Rodrigo gets a rock and roll. 31 to 33. 23. Walo ang inahabol ng Quattro bowlers. Thomas. 13 on the shot clock. At Tamarino sa ilalim.
Nice pass.
No. White ball. Last touch on green. Rodrigo. Number 15. Inocencio fires. No. Rebound number 55. To number 3, Altamarino. Altamarino. No. Block. Another foul. Lead pass to Tayaktak. Tayaktak is gone. 33 to 23. Isang puna naman ang kalamangan ng WCBL. With 4 minutes and 1. Number 18, Juan Wu.
Galing.
Like Steph Curry, 33 to 25. Here's Papa with the basketball. there's a foul on number 55.
First.
Only the first personal foul, likewise the first team foul. 2 free throws to number 24. Tayapta. Last throw on the way. No, too much muscle behind. 1 out of 2. Alvarino, ganda ng pasa. Blocked. Better defense for Agarcao. 19 on the shot clock. 19 seconds to shoot. Altamarino. Thomas, cross-court, number 18. Number 18, Silalim, Masoso. Under-court violation.
Gusto nila mag-alley-oop eh. Gusto nila mag-alley-oop.
Rodrigo. Rodrigo. In the middle, Agarpao. Yes, sir. Credit your assist, Rodrigo. 2 points, number 6, Agarpao. Here is Altamarino. 36 to 25.
Yari itong green pag hindi nila inayos yung laro nila. Yari itong green.
Cross court to Allen. Number 18. Cross kick out to Thomas. Long. Rebound. Number 4, Bamba. Here's Rodrigo. Kayak na. Rodrigo. Free throw jumper. Free throw jumpers. Pure.
Puti, may chemistry na eh. May chemistry na.
Ano eh?
Yung puti. Oo. Parang isang team lang ata yan eh, no?
Ano?
Isang team lang sila. Puti, lagi nagpa-practice sila yan.
No. Long. Rebound to the foul. Quickly. To number 11. Turnover. Cannot handle the basketball is number 11.
Yung puti, yung meron.
Number 18. Slicing in the middle. Kick out. Altamarino. Alone. Altamarino. Three! Good steam. By number 3. 38 to 28. Another one. Altamarino. No. Agarpao. 3-on-1 break. Kayak tap. Rodrigo. 2 points. Credit the assist to number 24. 2 points for Rodrigo. 14 to 28. A dozen point deficit for Blanco Ballers. 15 on the shot clock. Altamarino shoots. Agarpao. Quickly, Rodrigo is no. This is the easy 2 points. Here's number 18. Coast to coast. Raise up. Score.
Grabe yun. Ha? Wala silang passing. Kanya-kanya sila. Itong puti may yan eh, may pasahan eh.
Rodrigo. Kayak ka. 14 on the shot clock. Inocencio. Fire. Inocencio. 3! 43 to 30. 35 seconds remain. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Thomas. Altamarino. Fire. Altamarino. 3! 43-33. The shot clock is turned off. Last 17 seconds remain. Agarpao. Agarpao. Face. Kick out. Tayakta. In and out. Rebound. Soso. Rodrigo. Fire. But there is a foul.
Stepping.
Oh, stepping on the baseline, sorry. That's 1.3 seconds. The end of the second quarter. Official score is 43 to 33 in favor of WCBL.
Wala silang pasahan. Elsa rin mga player mo.
Hindi na yan. Mga sa gilid-gilid na.
Sulat mo na tape player mo.
Ano sabi dati listahan?
Andiyan na, andiyan yung dati.
Ulitin mo na lang yung dati listahan, pre.
Amad ka lang. Sulat mo.
Mga pala, wag ka magsulat ng sila Nickman. Para may
Ano yung
yan.
dati listahan?
Ba't? Yung nandyan lang yung lista mo.
Start of the third quarter.
Hindi ko nga alam kung sino dadating.
Ay, lista mo siya yung mga kakampi mo.
Kaya nga, nilista ko na nga.
Warner to start the third. Warner. Number 9. Bring it out. Peralta. Shoots. Scores.
Number 2?
43 to 35. Brings up at the 9. Ball. Pulls up. Score. 45 to 35. Number 26, De Los Reyes, easy 2. Credit to assist number 23.
Ano yung Bulante, no?
Hindi, 23.
Here's number 29, six minutes to play. Candila. The 12 on the shot clock. Nakagawa ng tuluyan. Here's Peralta, 3 on 2 break. Peralta all the way. 45-39.
Number 2, Peralta.
Aning na lang ang inahabol ng 4 War. Shoots. Malakas. Rebound De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes. 4 on 4. De Los Reyes shoots. Short. Rebound number 29. 3 on 3 break. Back pass.
Sige, pandar mo. Pandar mo. Kasalanan nila yan eh.
Here's Peralta. Volante. Guys, baseline. Face up, go. Candila with the basketball. Good defense. White ball. Rotasio.
Sino pa ulit?
Candila.
Wala.
Rotasio. 15 on the shot clock. Crosscourt. War. Fires. Number 29. Green. 48 to 39. Siyang na naman ang kalamangan. Peralta. De Los Reyes. Eye to eye with Candila. De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes. Green. 48 to 42. It's raining threes here. War. Rotasio, his own version. Malakas. Rebound Candila. There's a foul on number 26, De Los Reyes. Only the first personal foul.
Sabrek!
First team foul. Substitution.
Uy, labas na! Pasok na!
Pandar mo.
14 on the shot clock. Rotasio all alone. Rotasio! Peralta. Kick out. De Los Reyes. Drives hard. De Los Reyes. No good. But there's a foul on number 9.
Second.
Number 9, that is his second personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for number 26, De Los Reyes. Good on the first is De Los Reyes. Last throw is good as well. 2 out of 2 on that trip on the line is De Los Reyes, making the tally 51 to 44. Rodrigo. Siasico. Rotasio shoots. Long.
Escalante. Same ball, sabi nila.
Last touch on White. Substitution. Substitution. Number 7 out, number 3 in. 19 to shoot.
Good defense by Rodrigo. Traveling violation. Turnover. Caravilla, De Los Reyes fires. No. Escobar offensive board. Escobar muscles his way. No good. Rebound, no goal.
Here's Rodrigo. Rodrigo over to Siasico. Tayaktak. Shoots. Gets the final down. So Tayaktak moving Alcaro 53 to 44. 9-point deficit for 4 bowlers. Here's Altamarino being Albert Potasio.
Peralta to De Los Reyes. Short. Offensive board number 23. De Los Reyes spins, shoots. Escobar, good back, 2 points, plus a foul.
On number 9, Dogao.
Number 9.
Number 9, that is his third personal foul, second team foul.
Dumating.
Bonus free throw awarded to Escobar.
Hindi, pag pumasok.
Pagka-shot pare.
Basket is good. Substitution. Official tally is 53 to 47. A 6-point lead for TWCBI. Rodrigo. Tayaktak. Back to Rodrigo. 15 shoot. Out to Potasio. Potasio. Rodrigo. Shoots. Scores. Altamarino. De Los Reyes. Spins. Shoots. Scores. 55-49. Aning pa rin ang kalabangan ng TWCBL with 4 and remaining in the third. Here's Rodrigo. Sa gitna, Agarbao. Spins. Shoots. No. Gets his own miss. Wala pa rin. Who gets the ball? Number 23. Quickly to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes spins. Shoots. No. Altamarino. Loose ball foul on number 3, Altamarino.
Number 3, first.
Only the first personal foul of number 3.
Wait lang. Nabigay niya, ang tagal.
Siasico.
Parang babae, tagal mag-isip eh.
Baba ko yung ikot mo.
Tayaktak. Tayaktak. Sa corner. Number 10, 3.
Tres yan, Tres.
58 to 49 yung week. Wala siya makalangan. 3 minutes and 30.
De Los Reyes, Cabinan. Altamarino. Altamarino.
Balik sa anim ang kalamangan, 58 to 52. 3 minutes and 50. Siasico. Potasio. Potasio.
Answer sa pa. Huwag mo na. Hindi sasabat niya eh.
1 to 52.
Pagka-shot.
De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes being hounded by Rodrigo.
Escobar. Same ball. Last touch on White. 9 seconds on the shot clock.
Sabrep!
Substitution. Substitution. Number 26 out. Number 18 in. Number 27 in. Number 2 out. Substitution. Number 24 out. Or number 19 out. Number 4 in.
9 seconds on the shot clock. Altamarino fires. No. Escobar.
Number 2.
There's just a foul on number 4, Bagba.
First.
That is his first personal foul. 2 free throws awarded to Escobar. 2 team fouls for WCBL. Last throw on the way for number 13, Escobar. No good. One out of 2 on that triple line for Escobar. 61-53. The defense by Talavera. Barba. 13 to shoot. Another one. No. Same basketball. Last touch on Green. 14 on the shot clock. Rodrigo. Rodriguez Escobar.
Thank you to Talavera. Altamarino scores. Credit the assist to number 33. 2 points. Altamarino making our tally 61-55. With 2 minutes and 6 remaining in the third.
Agarbao. 14 to shoot. Ang gandang pasa. No. Cannot complete the alley play. Here's Altamarino.
Altamarino over to number 23. Cross court to Thomas. Thomas Trey. No. Rebound by Agarbao.
Number 11, Rodrigo.
For Avalanche violation. Turnover.
Sabrep!
Sige, pasok.
May pasok yung mga motor doon, sabi mo.
Altamarino.
Number 23. Number 18. Number 23, shortstop. Yes, sir.
Inocencio, runner, short. Rebound Agarbao. Number 9, the ball. Wala pa rin. But here is a foul. On number 4, Bamba.
Number 4, second.
That is the second personal foul. Third team foul.
Skip na dyan.
Ay, yung mga motor sa labas, pasok po. Baka nakaraw dyan. Motorcycles, motorbike, pakipasok sa loob ng court. Please.
13 seconds. Number 18. Number 23. No. White ball.
Here's Roy. Double hole. Dives. Shoots. Look back and score. Number 4. Agarbao.
63-57. Number 18. Kick out. Number 23. Thomas fakes. Thomas shoots. No.
End of the third quarter. Official score is 63-57 in favor of WCBL.
Vicarus. Vicarus, tama. Baby pala namin.
Green ball.
Back to the ball game. Start of our fourth quarter. Green ball possession.
Green, game na!
Puta, nalakas na yung traffic namin. Puta na, nandito. Jersey. Baldahin ko eh.
Peralta. De Los Reyes decides to fire. No. Good one. Volante. Peralta. Back to De Los Reyes. Another one. potential. Fires. Rebound good. Deep pass. Escobar fails. Escobar scores. Barba goes all the way. No. Nakuha Peralta. De los Reyes. Runner. Yes, sir. 63 to 61. Just a 3-point game. Under 9 minutes. Barba. Wala mo dyan. Number 29.
Huwag mo harangan, maliliting nga kami, harangan mo pa.
Number 9, Bago. Barba. No, rebound Peralta. Deep pass, Volante. Volante is gone. 2 points.
Wait lang pare. Dead ball pare, dead ball.
Pag dead ball, dead ball, dead ball.
Pag dead ball, pag dead ball.
Second deadlock. Good defense by Volante. Hingabog kay Barba. Natabigan, nakagawa tuluyan. Deep pass Volante. 3-on-1 break. Here's 4 ballers. Volante easy 2.
Time out.
Timeout. Team WCBL. Our official score 65 to 63 in favor of 4 ballers. With exactly 8 minutes
Pag hindi
remaining
nag-dead ball,
in
dalawang basket na
the
sunod.
final
Hindi
quarter. To be exact, we only have 480 seconds remaining in our game.
Gamit mo ba?
Back to the ball game.
Maklin, padaan-daan ka. Ang tanga.
Back to the action. Siasico, being hounded by Volante. Over to Protasio, fires a triple. Pass, lead pass to Volante. Volante is gone, 2 points. 67 to 63. A 2-possession deficit now for the WCBL. 7 minutes and 35. Siasico. There's a foul. On number 7, Volante.
First.
Only the first personal foul, likewise the first team foul. 14-2. Rodrigo. There's a foul. Back-to-back fouls for number 7, Volante. That is the second. Also the second team foul.
Good.
Tayaktak! 3! 67 to 66. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng 4 ballers.
Hindi lang nagpipipindot ang buo.
Altamarino! 3! It's raining threes here. 70 to 66. Siasico. Rodrigo. 50 na lang na shot clock. Tayaktak. Drives baseline. Kick out. Rodrigo. Protasio. Fires. In and out. Rebound Escobar. De los Reyes. Peralta. To Volante. No! Close the layup. Rodrigo. Tayaktak drives. Luzano. Rodrigo. Wala pa rin. Tayaktak. Protasio. Corner play. Malakas. Peralta yung naman. Peralta. Stepping on the brakes. De los Reyes drives baseline. But there is a foul on number 24, Tayaktak. Tayaktak, that is his first personal foul, also the first team foul.
Umama yun pare. Hindi lang
2 free
nagpipindot.
throws for number 26, De Los Reyes.
Sabre.
Sab.
Nabigay na eh. Antayin niyo muna ano. Nabigay na yung ball.
Dalawa.
No problem on the first.
2 out of 2 for De Los Reyes, making our official score 72-66. Under 6 minutes remain. Here's Rodrigo. On the lead, he's got a foul. Rodrigo fires. In and out. Altamarino lead pass. Volante. This is a foul on number 11, Rodrigo.
First.
That is his first personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 7, Volante. No good on his first attempt on the 4.5 meter
Pumasok,
lane.
pumasok.
Second throw, Volante does the certain adjustments,
Abre.
making our tally 73-66. Substitution. Number 6 out, number 9 in.
Dalawa.
Dalawa pa. Fourth quarter na yan.
Profacio. Rodrigo. Back to Rodrigo. Over to Profacio. 13 to shoot. Rodrigo drives baseline. Runner is good. 73-68. Lima lang ang hinahabol ng PWCDL. Here's Peralta. Looking at the clock. 15 to shoot. In the middle. Escobar, the big guy. Out to Peralta. Over to Altamarino. Fires. Altamarino! 3! 76-68. 4 minutes and 50. Here's Volante. Here's the foul of Volante. That is his third personal foul.
Third team foul.
Third team foul.
Yes!
13 on the shot clock. Rodrigo.
Bisiko.
Bayaktak. Oh, nakapagkas sa ikot. Here's Volante for off-two break. Altamarino, another one. No. Peralta Putlak. Wala pa rin.
Di, kinapatay mo sila ni. Kinapatay mo. Sana lang.
Same basketball. Last touch on White. With 13 seconds on the shot clock. 13 to shoot. Napabigan. Bayaktak.
Ano mo, pre?
Going on to break. Bayaktak flies. Point.
Baba na agad!
76-70. This is a 3-possession ball game. De Los Reyes being counted by Potato, 15 to shoot. De Los Reyes over sa corner. Escobar, what a play! Credit the assist to Peralta. 2 points, Escobar, making a tally 78-70. Rodrigo, under 4 minutes. Peralta. Traveling violation, turnover. Peralta, wisely slowing down the pace. Gives it to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes. 10 to shoot. De Los Reyes shoots. No. Rebound to go. Maaga, Peralta. Volante. Volante shoots. Volante no good. White ball. 78-70. Our official tally, 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Here is Rodrigo.
Center sa kabila. Shot!
Bayaktak. In and out. Rebound contact. Nakuha ni Rodrigo. Go ba? Oh, no. Bayaktak contact. Wala pa rin. Altamarino with the board. Altamarino quickly to Volante. Volante wisely using the clock.
Wala!
Turnover.
Sab.
Tagal mag-decision.
Parang babae to. Tagal mo desisyon.
Tropa
Hindi,
deal yan eh.
na kasama. Dito lang yung sasabit.
Rodrigo shoots. No. Rodrigo de los Reyes.
De los Reyes drives hard, sidestepping beauty, 2 points. 80 to 70.
Last 2 minutes.
Dayakta. Soars. No good. Peralta. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Altamarino. Shoots. In and out. Rebound to Sencio. Over to Rodrigo. Rodrigo. Naagaw. Altamarino. Altamarino is gone. Logo. Logo. Naagaw. Rodrigo. Running violation.
Ano time out? Hindi.
Time out.
Sab? Sab, Red!
Nung pa desisyon yan in. Time out o sub.
Sab.
Bossing, pag ganun pwede kong kumain ng nakashoot.
Ha?
Pag nakashoot, pwede kumain ng yun.
Hindi, nabigay na kasi kanina.
Hindi, pagbastahin, basta
Hindi, pero
pagtuloy.
pag nakashoot, pwede yun kumain ng habang hindi pa nakukuha.
Oo.
Ayaw, pag may ano, pag may
Peralta.
oras, mabilis.
Altamarino, please. Altamarino. Altamarino. Under a minute.
War. Sa corner. Intensifiers.
And Alfonso.
Escobar.
Altamarino. Peralta. Amen.
Time out!
Timeout in Cuatro Bowlers. Official score is 86 to 76 with 32.7 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Back to the ball game.
14 lang, 14. Tangka na, yun na lang napindot oh.
Altamarino. Volante. 2 points. No good.
Wala na ito yan.
Wala pa rin.
Number 3.
End of the ball game. Our official score is 86 to 76. Congratulations to our winner, Cuatro Bowler.
Our best player of the game, number 3,